all the blood tests of our patients, CRP, LDH, they were all deranged, they were raised, D-dimer levels were raised. Now, many patients are coming to us because their D-dimer and CRP levels are not decreasing. They are decreasing, but very slow. So, does diet have any effect on those things?
Definitely, diet has a very big role in this also, because this I have myself seen with a lot of my patients and with my father as well. So I'll tell you, because CRP levels is basically what it is, just a protein which our body increases during this time. So we need to understand to reduce it basically. So what we can do is, firstly, we make it a point that we take a anti-inflammatory diet. When I say anti-inflammatory, it means no sugar at all, no white sugar at all. So if you have COVID, totally avoid it and your CRP levels are on the higher side. Second thing which you have to do is no gluten for some time. As I said, 15 days ke liye gluten band kar do, because gluten also has a tendency to irritate our gut and increase the inflammation in the body because of the GMOs, of course. The third thing which you can do is avoid plain milk, because again, the cow milk which we get these days is really not the milk which we expect it to be. So please kindly avoid the milk at that time. You can definitely have curd and buttermilk, that is totally fine, but avoid the plain milk which we have been taking, haldi doodh or ye sab cheeze we have been taking. So avoid that for some time. Make sure that you are having your greens. So एक glass आप green juice का लीजिए, जिसमें you add some spinach, you add wheat grass, you add moringa, you add 1 or 2 fruits into it, juice it and have it with some nariyal pani mixed into it. So this will really help you to reduce your CRP levels, because it is anti-inflammatory in nature. Second thing which you can do to reduce your inflammation is, you can start having half a teaspoon of ghee, because ghee also has properties. It is anti-inflammatory in nature. So you can have half a teaspoon of ghee, grass-fed ghee or A2 ghee every day in the morning, or any time of the day, maybe in your chapatis or maybe with your dals, that ways. Another thing which you have to make sure is that you have more servings of fruits and vegetables, and there is no fried khana in the diet. So no puris, no pakodis. आपको taste नहीं आ रहा, तो मैंने देखा है कि बहुत लोग को जब tasty आ रहा ना, तो they were hogging on the other things, जैसे पूरी हुआ, पकौड़ीज हुआ, या फिर कुछ और फ्राइड चीजें हुई, तो just to get that taste. तो आप उसको टोटली अवॉइड करें. स्टिक टू नॉर्मल सादा खाना. हैव खिचड़ी, हैव कर्ड राइस, which is good for your diet, and add probiotics in your diet. So these things will definitely help you. This is what I have seen myself.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. It was very informative, actually, for me also, because I was also not much aware of this part of CRP being raised and reduced by diet. So I think I can do this for my pregnant patients also who have a raised CRP or a ESR, which is very common in lots of our my patients. I think.
Absolutely.